to see the tax deduction on home loan interest, which comes under section 24. For example, if you have taken if you have bought a house property by using home loan, then you would pay an EMI every month. That EMI would consist of principal plus interest. So that interest can be claimed under section 24, which comes under tax deduction on home loan interest. There are two criteria for that. First one is self-occupied house and then this rented house. So in the first scenario, homeowners can claim a deduction of up to 2 lakh rupees. Up to 2 lakh rupees is the important point. And then rupees 1.5 lakh if you are filing for financial year 13-14 on their home loan interest. If the owner or his family resides in the house property, if you or your family members resides in that house property, then that would be considered as a self-occupied house property. You can claim maximum of 2 lakh rupees of interest, home loan interest. If your home loan interest is more than 2 lakh rupees, then you can claim maximum up to 2 lakh rupees. And the second case is if you have rented out the house property, the entire interest on the home loan is allowed as a deduction. So till financial year 2016-17, this is important, till financial year 2016-17, you can claim the total interest amount. You can show the total interest amount under section 24. But after financial year 2016-17, they have inserted a new rule, which states that from financial year 2017 and 18, the set of losses has been restricted to 2 lakh. Suppose if your total home loan interest for your house property is 4 lakh rupees and you have rented out that house property, means you can set off maximum of 2 lakh with your yet salaries with other income. The remaining 2 lakh rupees loss can be carried forwarded for the next 8 assessment years. This is the rule that has been inserted. This rule creates more problems among the house owners who have rented the house property. And then second is the conditions to claim the 2 lakh rupees rebate. Then these are the 3 conditions that needs to be satisfied. Suppose if you want to claim tax deduction, which comes under section 24. The first is home loan must be for purchase and construction of a new property. If you are taking home loan for some other reasons, then you can't claim 2 lakh rupees rebate, which comes under section 24. And the second condition is the loan must be taken on or after April 1, 1999. And then the purchase or construction must be completed within 3 years. This is the important point, from the end of the financial year. If the construction of the property is not completed within 3 years, the deduction on the home loan interest shall be limited to 30,000 rupees. So from 2 lakh rupees, that the total deduction would be reduced from 2 lakh to 30,000 if you have been completed within 3 years. But that is another rule which was inserted in budget 2016, which states that the period has been extended to 5 years. So from 3 years, the period has been extended to 5 years, which is applicable from the financial year 2016-17. This is one of the good rules that they have inserted in budget 2016. The total number of years has been extended from 3 to 5 years. And another condition is if the loan has been taken for reconstruction, repairs or renewal purpose, then only 30,000 shall be allowed as deduction. So these are some conditions or criteria which falls under section 24. Each year some rule would be inserted and some rule would be excluded from the current set. So please try to follow the budget speech that will be given by the finance minister.